Hey, y'all, it's your girl, lovely angel lady, L-A-L. Alright, welcome to my channel, y'all. Welcome. This is the time. Look into your eyes. Y'all, we've been so long overdue for this video. This is supposed to be my 3-month lock update, which really is my 3.5-month lock update, but technically next week, y'all, I make 4 months next week. You heard me? Can you believe that? Where is time going? Y'all, I'm not understanding this. Like, months back, I was like, ooh, it's gonna take forever. You know, you be feeling more. I don't know if maybe my patience is getting better or what, but I just wanted to finally update y'all on my lock progress. Y'all, I just finished doing some technical teaching assistant work. I assist with classes online, and I just had a class, plus I got my business and then my channel. Alright, y'all, so yeah, I guess my patience was just shorter and it's getting better. I mean, I had pretty decent patience to be able to sit there and make tubes and tubes of lip gloss and jars and jars of body butter. And so I guess my patience be growing in certain areas. I know people say like, oh, I couldn't do all that makeup. I ain't got time, you know. I ain't got the patience. Certain things I got patience for, but I just thought, you know, like with this journey, I was like, oh, I know it's going to take a long time to get to 6 months, but look at us, y'all. Look. Can you believe 4 months next week on the 26th? 4 months next Friday. I cannot believe that. So, yeah, y'all know, when I'm excited about something, I'm hyped. You know, that's just me. You know what I'm saying? We are who we are. Your girl is who your girl is. Let's talk about these locks though, y'all. So we started out with 2-strand twist, and I'm gonna do a close-up so y'all can see. Y'all, this is edges, okay? These so-called little baby hairs, but that's why I be telling y'all my hair is curly, okay? So I thought it was gonna really be like a hot mess trying to get them to lock right and everything like that. At first they was kind of frustrating me because you know, the curls was wanting to pop out the twists and whatnot. I guess the misting was helping, you know. I was telling y'all I was, you know, doing the misting with the water bottle and, you know, applying my oils and everything. Guess that was helping, but y'all, yeah, this is just my edges right here. I actually just did a retwist last weekend, y'all, but you kind of can't tell because my roots are dark, but they're not looking too bad. I just got it pulled up, so it's kind of hard to see with my edges like that. But yeah, I washed it last weekend first, and let me just show y'all. I use the same shampoo that I have been using, that I've been showing y'all. I love this shampoo and this conditioner. It's a good set of products, you know, good set. They work well together because they go together, same brand, you know. So it's Shea Moisture, and I like it because it has the shea butter, peppermint, and what else is in there? Shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, yeah, baby. So I washed with that. It does not give a good lather. I don't know if y'all have any recommendations as far as shampoos and conditioners, let your girl know. But I love that when I use those products, at least my locks and my scalp be feeling clean, okay? Get the job done. That's, you know, what's important. So yeah, this is what we're working with. So I'm gonna show y'all. So they definitely more, they're not as defined as what they were. And they're losing some of the definition of that twist. And the bottoms aren't nearly as curly. They still kind of curl up when they're wet, but they're not as curly as what they were in the beginning. So if y'all been following my journey, y'all know. But yeah, so we washed and conditioned, rinsed that out, and then went on and did a retwist. Because y'all know last time I didn't like the retwist. It lasted too short and I ended up interlocking. But I got some things, some things that I really don't like about both. With the interlocking, what I really don't care for is that, if you're not careful, you can't see all the way in the back or something. You're trying to look in another mirror and see what you're doing. You can like tie your locks together and they be like stuck. You got like a two-headed, lock stuck together and all that. Child, I ain't got time for all that. So, ooh, y'all, I hit the mic. Sorry about that. But I was saying, y'all, I ain't got time for that. You know what I'm saying? Like, to be trying to actually separate locks that I didn't join together, that I have no idea how I'm gonna get them apart because you didn't actually join them at the root or some kind of way, is really hard without having to cut that off. And I ain't got time to be dealing with all that. So I mean, if you're going to get your hair done, it's fine. And if you used to interlocking, and I think it's good too if you just separate them, like just put them in maybe like fours or something, part them and separate them and clip them, each section. Y'all, let me be still. It's still possible to connect them at the root if it's just close together, even if you do separate the parts. So you just really have to know what you're doing. For me, I done dealt with carpal tunnel surgery, and yeah, it comes and don't last forever. It didn't last very long at all, maybe a few years of that. So these hands right here, they kind of be doing what they want to do. So yeah, I was like, I'm gonna try this time, and when I do the retwist, I'm gonna try to use a different product, okay? Because the last one, it smelled like really good and everything, but I did not like that it didn't last. And like I told y'all, my hair is curly, like from the root, like my hair's grown out or whatever. It's good because it's locking, like, either I twist it or interlock it. But last time it just did not last but a few days, and I was like, I refuse to keep retwisting and still be looking a hot mess. And then gotta wait so long in between retwists, so I did try the Dew Mousse. Yeah, the Dew Mousse. I use that, and y'all, it has a really good hold. I was just kind of maneuvering in my locks to style it, but for the most part, look at that. They still look pretty good at the root. See that? They still pretty good, but they were really like solid. And they were wet. They were damp when I did my retwist. Sorry, I keep bumping this mic because I'm not used to wearing this. So, but yeah, they were damp when I did it. But if you use that, it is good to kind of mist with water, like a water spray bottle, to like mist your locks and then keep applying, because your locks are gonna start drying up as you get like half of your head done or whatever. But they had a really beautiful sheen. Like, I had been to the beauty salon. Like, I was loving that up. Okay, you heard me. I was loving that up. But they did have, like, I don't want to say it wasn't like a crunchy cast like a gel would have, but baby, them things was not going nowhere. But they almost had a stickiness or like a film to them a little bit. But I liked it. I didn't get like no bunch of flaking. My hair don't look dirty. Y'all see that close up? Then my locks don't look dirty. So, you know what I'm saying? So, would I try it again? Yes. And it's quick. It's pretty quick. It took me longer to retwist using the lock gel than it did with the Dew Mousse. So, I don't know. Have y'all ever tried to do your retwist with a mousse versus a gel? What is your favorite product to retwist with? And how do y'all get y'all retwist to last longer and so forth? Like I said, I'm fine now because with that, at least they're not unraveling or nothing like that. I maneuvered in it a little bit, so it's not quite as, like it was like, it's not, as laid. It's not as laid as it was when I first did it. And I just put these in I ain't had these in until I did this style. I've been rocking this for about 4 days, but I did my retwist. I don't know, probably took about an hour, hour and a half or so. Then I had to sit under the dryer, and y'all, my hair holds water. Before I had locks when I was natural, and I would wash my hair, and if I would try to air dry it, it just took forever. A whole day to be done went by, and my hair is still wet, like in the scalp part, you know. But it's super curly, so my hair is always giving me fuss, you know. Y'all see these? Look at this, and it's really it's good. It's laid down, you know. Sometimes I just take a little bit of like wet gel and like curl it so it'll be like curled up like that, you know. But all I gotta do is sweat one good time. I'm in Vegas, and I be telling y'all it's hotter than a firecracker out here, y'all. And we right now we've been getting so much like rain, like it's been crazy. And some of the casinos, y'all, the water was just pouring in. Like, I don't know if y'all seen the news, but yeah, it's been like, it's monsoon season here. This is our monsoon season, but like once every 8 to 10 years, it gets a little crazy. Like we go like a long, long time without barely any rain at all. It's so dry, this desert, and then bam. Like when I tell you two people died. Because like, it was like a homeless man, oh, rest in peace. Like, it's so sad. Drowned, and then somebody, I think in a parking garage or something, y'all, but the water had filled some of the parking garages. Folks was out there. If I could find a clip, y'all, I gotta put it in here, but if I could find a clip from TikTok, I had to put it in here. But folks are swimming in the street, in the nasty street, and you know, ain't no telling what's in these streets. We got monkeypox and COVID, just all this stuff out there, y'all. All these viruses and illnesses and things popping up, and it was just too much craziness. So, but yeah, so the best thing that I could have done to my hair was start this lock journey living out here. I was so hot the past couple of summers. All I could think about was just cut it, girl, cut it. She cut it again. She cut it. So I just kept cutting it. So, yeah, I'm really loving the progress so far. Let me show y'all the back too. I got a couple that's kind of chunky. Hold on, let's go this way. And I did combine a few because they were like a little too small. And so I started with like 100. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do another lock recount. But I'm pretty sure I'm down to at least 96 or 97, maybe somewhere around there. So don't quote me on that, but I will do it a lock count for y'all. But let me show y'all again like what they looking like so y'all can see the progress that's being made. These sisters is doing a little something, you heard me? But yeah, y'all, I'll probably take these out. I don't usually leave like jewelry or anything like that in my locks, but this is the first time I tried this, and look, almost at 4 months. This is the first time I tried this, because I normally have the little rings, and they be attached to the rings hanging on there. The shells do, and I take them out like before I usually take them out before I go to sleep, if I do wear any accessories at all. But you know, there's nothing wrong with it. You just got to do you. And don't, you know, I don't like leaving like the metal stuff in my hair or whatever too long without taking it out, especially if you spray your hair with water and then, you know, metal turns and stuff like that. And I don't want like nothing corroding in my locks, like talking about. Oh, the color, this copper, y'all, my roots have grown out since, you know, I did the color. Obviously, y'all can see that clearly. Y'all like, duh, LL, duh. But yeah, it's fading. This is the L'Oreal High Color in Copper. But it's still loud as hell. It's bright. It's still bright. Some of it, because some of my locks were lighter than other ones anyway. You know, I had like that little highlighted look going on. I looked like I had, you know, like streaks or something going on. It was like multicolored a little bit, but it, you know, it all went together. But I got some now that's lighter copper than others are darker copper, but I love that, y'all. And y'all know from me doing years and years of wig reviews that y'all know from me doing years and years of wig reviews that I get bored with looks, my hair. That's why I love hair. I love makeup. Not that I need it. I just love utilizing my creativity. So I gotta be me. You heard me? I let your girl. Like, seriously. No, I'm just playing, y'all. I'm in a good mood today, as y'all can see. But I just wanted to come and update y'all. So that's pretty much that. I will probably wait a few weeks to do the 4-month lock update since I'm doing this one kind of late. But like I told y'all, I did not expect time to fly by so fast. And I'd be like, oh, we rolling up on 4 months. Bam. Like I really did not expect that. But here we are. We made it. Woo woo. Almost 4 months, y'all. So 3 months just went like that. 3 months got here. And I think I did a couple of posts. Y'all want to make sure y'all follow me on Instagram because I do be posting on Instagram a lot. Also, follow your girl on TikTok too. Please make sure y'all follow on social media. Also, be commenting. Please show your girl some love. Let me know about y'all lock journey. Have y'all started? Are you planning on starting? What works for you? How often do you do your retwists, your washes? Right now, I'm washing every 3 weeks. 2 if need be. I ain't went swimming and nothing like that in them yet, but every 3 weeks, y'all can't talk. Every 3 weeks right now. And as far as the retwist, I'm gonna say I don't know, because when I interlock, it don't need to be done like interlocking seems like the last 8 weeks. But when I do a retwist, it don't last that long. So I would say I would have to do that probably every 4 weeks. 3 weeks sound too often, but I don't know. If I'm rocking it like something like this is fine. I usually have, when I was doing the interlocking at my roots, I was wearing my hair mostly down every day. I would put it up in a style occasionally for like a video or something like that, or a look, or if I'm just going somewhere and I wanted something a little different, I would like put up one side, clip it up, or something like that. But yeah, y'all, so this is where we are. I'll be doing another update. This style been in my head, like I say, for about 4 days, and all I've been doing is
like put my bonnet on. Like I'll lift this part up, put my bonnet on, and bam, go to sleep. Wake up, take it off, make it do what it do my thing, get it popping. I'm just playing, y'all.
I promise y'all I'm gonna do better. But your girl LAL loves you. If you are not subscribed to my channel and you love to follow my lock journey, come see some of my makeup videos, lifestyle related videos about MG, if you know that I have myasthenia gravis, and some other health stuff. And I'll be doing like my workouts and weight loss challenges, just different stuff that I just like to take y'all on these journeys. This lock journey has been very fulfilling spiritually, mentally, just with your patience. It tests so many things, and so many things change, but you find out so much newer things about yourself when you're on this journey. I call it my self-improvement journey. And so yeah, y'all come along with your girl, follow me on this self-improvement journey. And yeah, that's pretty much that. If y'all have any questions, drop them down below. Y'all can also DM me on Instagram if y'all need to do that. Y'all can do that. But please do comment, interact with your girl. I love to mingle. But I love y'all so much, my loves, and y'all have a good one. Also drop down what other videos y'all want coming, what newer videos y'all want, because I know y'all pretty much know this is a beauty, fashion, lifestyle, but it's anything LAL goes. So if y'all seen any of my other videos, anything of that nature, lip gloss, running a business, if y'all just have questions, I want to see certain type of videos, just let your girl know. Please do. Okay? I'm here for you, sugars, for you. You got it, honey. Yeah, baby. No, I'm just playing, y'all. But your girl LAL has a go, y'all. I got some things I got to do. So do something good for somebody. Be positive. And later. 1.